We're now live. What's up, everyone? How are we doing? I'm just gonna start the TikTok live now. Can you hear me? Okay? Everything like that? Can you hear me? All good? Right. Let me start the TikTok live. What up? What up? What up? Right. We are now live on everything. How is everyone doing today? How is everyone? Well, today's sort of gone a bit sideways now. I wanted a market maker sell model to be in play, and we haven't got that at the moment. Anyway, at the moment we're looking a bit looking like we at least want previous day high, and then maybe we can get a previous day high and go down lower. But yeah, in all honesty, it's very bizarre. What's up, MXM? You still in here? What's up, Michael? Milan, welcome. Some of the regulars. How's everyone doing today? What does everyone think's gonna happen? What up? What up? Good, take a win on gold. Nice. What did you do? Short gold, Milan? I assumed you short gold. Yo. Welcome. How are we all doing? What does everyone think for today, anyway? Yeah, take the win, Milan, and if I was you, I'd just tape read, or just you don't want to give back that win now. There's no need to do it. Well, London looks trash. One trade and one loss. So I see. So what? You don't feel like you want to make the money back, do you? Because in all honesty, today is very unclear for me now. You're done for that? Yeah, nice, man. Today is very unclear now. So basically, what my understanding was, you see on NQ, you can all see NQ, right? Yeah, sweet. So my understanding was that this grey box here is a daily fair value gap. So I wanted us on the 1 hour to create a market maker sell model, which is basically where the structure will change and we'll start respecting bearish PDRs and disrespecting bullish PDRs. But we haven't had that. Okay, so now my understanding is that, are we going to want to take previous day high from yesterday, create SMT, and then do the move lower? But even then, I'm not entirely confident in shorts anymore. But in order for me to do anything, regardless, if I wanted to long, I have to wait until 10, right? Because there's no PDRA. I would wait until 10, wait for this fair value gap to form, unless we manipulate lower at open. Or for shorts, I want to see YM take previous day high, and then we can look and try and trade maybe the 15-minute. Because I'm not a huge fan of trading just off a previous day high. I'll stop watching NQ, I prefer gold. Yeah, I mean, I've got gold up here, but I don't really check it that much. A gold short I was watching this morning, but that's only because someone let me know about it. So that was what I was watching this morning. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know anymore. I loved this draw, the weekly open draw on ES and YM. Like it's a flat body, low as well. I'll see what New York brings. If not, I'll wait. As I've been doing alright. You've been trading Asia. What, King? Where are you from? I haven't actually. I need to look at Asia. The problem with Asia for me is that it starts at like midnight for me. So obviously I'm normally sleeping or whatnot. Um. Mm, I want to see this. Someone just sent this in. I'm just checking what this. What's this guy waffling about? What's this guy waffling about? Works okay in my free time. Oh, gotcha. Milan, do you trade it in Asia? Wait, so you stay? I work shift so nights. Oh, I see. I see. I was gonna say, yeah, I don't know how you stay up that late. I guess now with the whole daylight savings for us, it makes it easier for you. Right. So I just want to check something here. Do we have? We do have some fat SMT at the lows. But we have just gone into our new week opening gap on NQ. Um, I don't know anymore. When the markets are like this, I'm so undecided. Hmm. I'm gonna remain neutral for now until we take the previous day high, take the previous day high on YM. Then I can reevaluate price. That's my logic here, guys. Just have to wait. Yeah, exactly that. Exactly that. I don't really like. I just wish that we'd done the market maker sell model, but then we didn't, right? But yeah, TikTok chat. What do you think today? I can see you're in the chat, NQ. I can see you're in the chat. Like I can see you're in the thing. Why can't you see it? Yeah, it's all you can. You've got access to everything. You think we short? I think just wait until at least previous day high gets taken on YM. Yeah, that's weird, NQ, because you're in the chat and like you're on mod, so you've got every permission. I can't type today. This is not what I'd want to see if we were bearish. Like that. Come into YouTube. If you can't type in, I've got both TikTok and YouTube on that. I'm telling you, YouTube's so much better to be in, I think, in my opinion. Because you can see everything. Like the whole screen, and you can understand what I'm looking at. You think we short? What's up, Aaron? How you doing, man? How are you today? Oh, I see what you mean. Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's weird. What do you think today, Aaron? What do you think we're gonna do today? What's the bias today? Well, I mean, I was pretty confident in shorts. So my bias at the moment is neutral until we take previous day high on YM, which is about to happen. And then I can look at maybe trading a reversal M. So at the moment I'm waiting. I'm sitting on my hands. At the moment I would recommend just sitting on hands, just because I don't have a clue anymore. But I love the weekly open as a draw. But then again, right, we have got FOMC tomorrow. Okay, so anything can happen still. Like, we can easily go up Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday comes in for FOMC in the evening, and then we'll have a Thursday, Friday down lower. But like I said, anything can happen. You just have to react to what price is doing. We're in a yearly manipulation. You're actually checking the yearly chart. I don't think I've checked the yearly chart. Actually, have I? Maybe if I was doing like a swing position. What do you think today? What do you think today? I just wanted to check this quickly. No, I saw it somewhere. I don't know if it's true. Oh. What's it under? How do you get to the yearly chart? 12 months. What do you want me to look at here? I mean, yes, we've got SMT, but that... I don't know. I've not ever checked the 12 months. I'm just going to zoom out. I want to see what price could be doing. If, like, I would understand this move, right, if we had the lows swept on YM. And then you'd understand that we had SMT at the lows. And then we can look to go higher, right? Unless... I'm pretty certain we haven't set those lows. So I'll literally just wait on the 1 hour now. Wait for that previous day high to get swept in YM. Thinking to short potentially. Nice. Everyone like up the lives. Otherwise I'll stop them. And I'll just head over to YouTube permanently. I think that... See, if we were going to short, we should have already been in the market make a sell model. To me, it just looks like we could be building up failure swings for FOMC, which would not be good because I don't want them failure swings to get taken during a news event. That's not what I want to see. There is no Gabriel, are you in here? I've just seen your thing. Am I bugging out? There's no SMT there, right? Hold on, this isn't some contract rollover bollocks, is it? What's the current contract for? I sent it. Well, you sent it in NQ, didn't you? Let me check Discord. What's the current contract? Because there might be some bullshit going on here. There actually might be some. NQM. Let me go to ES, which is ESM. I swear, if YM's taking this low... Oh my days it has. Oh my days it has. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Chat, you need to use your... What? I was using continuous though. What the fuck is that shit? Look at this. Look at YM. It's taking the low. Chat. Look. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Am I the only one that's realised that? Continuous contract hasn't taken that low. What? Look. What's up at MXM? It hasn't taken that low. Look at it. Look at this. Look, wait, how long we got to open? We got time. Look, this is on YM continuous, right? You see that low, okay? Then look at this. When I switch over to the actual contract rollover, we've taken the fucking low. Holy fuck! Wait, can you see? You see what I mean? So now we've got SMT there. Lover, did you see that? I just saw Gabriel sent it in that TikTok, and I was like, hold on, I need to check this. Did you see that MMXM? Shit. So why is it? I've got everything turned on correct. Holy fuck. That's actually changes it like quite a bit now. If YM's taken that low, that's kind of changed this all around now. Because now we've got this SMT. Just like that. You see what I mean, everyone? What's up, Adana? I'm good, man. I'm good. I've just had like a brain fart moment where I didn't even realise something, and apparently, like, yesterday would have been clear longs then. Holy fuck. Lover, did you know it's taken that low? How you though? Oh my god. I'm actually shocked about that. No, you didn't. You're such a liar. What's up? What's up? How are you doing? How is everyone? I need to change. You definitely didn't know. You're such a liar. What do you think of the new Alpha Trader platform? I haven't used it yet. I'm not gonna lie. As much as I'm affiliated with Alpha, right? Like, the platform is exciting. Don't get me wrong, but I'm very much of the type of person that will just stick with something until it doesn't work. And with Tradeovate, I've got no reason to switch. I can't believe we've just... So now we're in a market maker buy model then. Holy fuck. I'm actually so shocked about that. Like, I don't... Like, regarding Alpha Trader... Aaron, get out of it. Like, Alpha Trader's sweet and all, but I think it's just another shiny object, like Project X. And look what happened to Project X. You know? So I as much as I'm affiliated with them, if you've got a platform that works for you, then stick with that. But by all means, give them a go. Like, I'll probably end up giving one a go. Is this Nasdaq? This is Nasdaq now. This is now the Nasdaq. I can't believe that. Aaron, did you know that? No, what's the story of Lucid? What's your game plan for today? Well, my game plan for today has changed now since the people that are in the live first, okay? So, basically on continuous contracts, YM failed to sweep a daily low and create SMT yesterday, but then on the actual rollover contracts, it did. Okay, so if that's the case, then I'm going to be looking for longs until at least previous day high, and then we get back into this daily fair value gap. MQ, did you see that? Check what I sent in my channel and what Gabriel sent in the private group. EO, check what I sent in the. I'm going to send it to you now, actually. EO, check your DMs on Discord. I'm going to send it to you. I'm actually so shocked about this. EO, where's your name? Oh, there. Look at this, EO. Happy Paddy's Day. Did you see him, Aaron, in the end? Right, so we've taken that previous day high. And hopefully today. No way. Yeah, thank you, NQ. That is mental. EO, EO, did you know? Look what I just sent you. Did you know that? No, I don't. I don't like these whole. I don't like all this. EO, what does that mean? I really do not like all of this now. Like how it's this. It's all different. It's kind of throwing me off a bit. What's up? What's up, guys? How are we doing? MQ, did you know that? I actually failed to. Yeah, for real. EO, I literally just found out through signing the private group. Want to know the reason why? Well, it's contract rollover, but I would have thought the continuous would have at least matched it up to the best of its ability. I'm actually so shocked. The fact Monday should have been a protected high is making me confident. Yeah, thank you, Icy. What happened? Well, turns out we swept the low last night, which I didn't anticipate. On YM. Well, yesterday we swept it, actually. What are you looking for? I was trying to long, but I couldn't get an entry. I want to see once price. I want to analyze the reaction through this daily fair value gap on ES first. I actually can't believe that today. The fact Monday should be a protected high is making me confident. I just don't. I can't. Like, it makes so much more sense to me now as to why we are moving the way we are. Like it's like there was like I did not have a clue why we were bullish yesterday because there was no SMT at previous day low, but now it makes sense because there's SMT at the lows. Fucking hell, that's disgusting. How's it going, man? What's up, Ghost? Ghost, I didn't. I'm gonna say this to everyone that comes in here. Are you using continuous? Do you like the new banner, everyone? It took me ages. I'm ashamed to say it. I wanted shorts, but after I saw the contract change, which was meant to be yesterday, then I can see why we were bullish. I just can't believe it. I didn't see it before. Can you not see a banner on YouTube or TikTok? Can anyone see my banner that says code Luke Trades? Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah, it took me ages. What time frame SMT? Daily. Daily SMT at external range liquidity pools. That's actually tech. I actually can't believe that. It looks like we're going to take Bruce Day high as well on NQ. There's now no. I'm just going to assume that New Week opening gap on YM. I believe it's New Week. Yeah, New Week opening gap on YM is the draw. I've got no SMT now. I think the level for me would be 47657 on YM daily. Even like there's no. I need SMT and there's no SMT to short. See how I react off this gap. Nah, get out of here. So weird. I'm actually shocked. Fucking hell. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna assume New Week opening gap. What's up? What's up? Well, considering we've got SMT at the lows, I want New Week opening gap as a draw. What about you? I can't believe that. And the New Week opening gap is a flat. Yeah, it's a flat body high as well on YM. It's so dead that I can't even play music anymore. That's why I got my headphone in. So my logic is that I need either price to manipulate down lower, or I need to wait until 10 a.m. to then frame off a 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap. It won't even be a 4 hour fair value gap. It'll just be a 1 hour actually. Since it isn't logged in. MQ, just quickly, did you know about the low sweep on YM? That's crazy. Gold is chopped. Nah, neither did I. Right, here's open. Fucking hell. Yeah, I agree. MQ. It's not NQH. It's NQM now, the contract rollover. It's M now instead of H. Fucking hell. Is my phone 2 minutes ahead? We haven't even had open yet. What is this shit, man? Yeah, check the announcements channel. NQ lover. Remind me to put it in there. It has all the contract changeover. What's up, Peter? How you doing, man? You've got to have some balls to buy a 15-minute gap right there. I'm not gonna lie. You obviously have S&T there now. I can't short this. Oh, fuck off. YM's taking new week opening gap. Fuck's sake. Right. So my understanding is I can't short this yet. If I wanted to short, I have to wait until 10 a.m. because I need some more confirmation. Fuck, man. So we're now in a new daily Sibby. We do have S&T at the highs now. So if we were going to reverse, I'd want to sit here. Is anyone near long already? What are you thinking today? Well, I want either 10 a.m. to be the reversal for short side of play because we have SMT at highs, or I'll just be long until proven otherwise. That's my logic anyway. We are so bullish. If we continue like this, then we'll go to the relative equals. I actually can't believe this. Shut up. Thank you, breaks this gap, got cooked. So, it turns out the 50... This is just a fucking meme coin now. I actually am I can't actually be bothered. Fucking hell. No, the right one is long in this. Yeah, you only had a 15-minute PD row with SMT. That's all you had. Ryan is pumping. What's up, Andrew? Hey, Luke. I heard you both in... What the fuck? This is actually a fucking meme coin. This is fucked. Has gold done anything? Shit. Fucking hell. There's literally, like, my hands are tired. This is actually a meme coin. How long did it take you to become profitable? A long time. Like, a year and a bit. Maybe even a bit. Yeah, probably like a year and a bit. But that was just down to me being an absolute retard. My live is just being restricted for saying what? Nah, TikTok is so weird. Honestly, my plan is, if everyone predominantly only trades indices, I want to wait. I can't short this. I would need to see like a 10 a.m. open high low close if I want to short. Just to be more safe. Holy shit. Is anyone check gold? Or oil? If you've got it, if you want to take something, then you're gonna have to. Indices is gonna be very difficult to get on side with today. What's oil doing? SMT appears to stay high. Like that. Down to the daily fair value gap. SMT up here. Has the move already happened? I mean, 8. It's not the nicest. It's not the nicest. I'm not gonna lie. But then there comes a point where you're trying to force trade, so that's why you go and look at other assets. You know? SMT at the highs. You got basically second stage, I believe. Yeah, you got second stage on CL down to the daily fair value gap. Missed you. You wouldn't have had the breaker block. I'm gonna set an alert here on CL because CL looks clear down to this daily fair value gap and these relative equal lows. If anyone trades CL, I haven't traded it in years. So set an alert there. If you are going to trade CL, I'm honest. I honestly can't believe what's happened. So my understanding is that now we should be in a market maker buy model, right? Until hopefully these highs up here on the daily, right? Because if we can candle close over this daily fair value gap, then we can just be obviously bullish until proven otherwise and see what FOMC brings tomorrow. And I'll be giving out a free account to Lover, sadly. Me and him had a bet. I was short, he was long, depending on how the weekly candle closed, and I failed to see that on the new contract rollover that there was SMT at the lows. Otherwise, I'd have never taken that deal. So, yeah, previous week high. That's what that dotted line is. That is previous week high. FK. I'd love to see us flush out all the S&T. But like in this scenario, unless you're a scalper or whatever, right? I think I'm gonna gamble this 5 minute if we enter. What's up, Abraham? What are you just gonna buy? My eyes are currently on. Hold on, let me just check what gold's done. I'm currently watching gold, CL, and indices. Yo, what's up? What's up? How you doing, man? Did you know, Weston? Did you know that we swept the external lows on YM daily? I'm what? Did you? Yeah, but the thing is, right? I wanted shorts yesterday, Weston, but I failed to see the fact that we had like because obviously I was using continuous. I didn't see that. Otherwise, I would have obviously been bullish. Absolutely disgusting. We've had no retracement. Let's see. Yes. I mean, I'm just gonna sit on the 5 minute. This is brutal. So many people, I reckon, done the same thing. Luckily, I basically had two break evens. I had one small loss, which I basically classified as a break even. But I already know that so many people would have been getting. I can't even swear because TikTok will ban me again. I already know so many people will be getting messed up about that. What indicators are you using? So I have 9 indicators. I don't use them all. At the moment, I use ICT everything, period separators, all time frames, which basically you see these faint dotted lines. That's basically yesterday, and then I've got 2 for some reason. But basically, just period separator and ICT everything. Yeah, but I was still bearish. I didn't get involved. I can't believe I failed to see that. But then again, very rare I'd come off continuous contracts. CL is actually just gonna bleed. I think CL is going down to here. This dotted line here, relative equal lows, and this daily fair value gap. But I would like it to leave a 1 hour fair value gap behind to get involved. I woke up seeing this gap up this morning. Never expected it, for real. I mean, there's a retracement there. Who was it? FK. We had this retracement here. Are you waiting for another one? No, I don't use SMT indicators. I can't believe this. Even the fact that we did have the daily external low with SMT sweep on YM. This is still a very bullish move away from it. Oh dear. So this is our market maker buy model now. I actually can't believe that. This was our order block here. Just like that. So if you had caught onto the contracts rollover quick enough, you'd have been out in a swing. Just like that. It's crazy. Luke, you lost the 50k account. Yeah, I know. Don, check the Discord, please. We were crazy yesterday. I was waiting for you to join to speak because me and you both took a short. Yeah, wait until 10 a.m. FK. Would you ever go into live accounts? Are you on about like prop firms moving me live? I've got a call with Alpha Futures tomorrow. I got invited to this call thing. Did anyone see it? I posted it in Discord. I felt like I better not post it online. It basically says, where is it? It says, I'll read it out. Personal ones, yeah. I trade personal. I wish I could reply to the TikTok. Don, check what I sent in the Luke's analysis thing on the private group. It basically said, this is from Alpha Futures. Hello there. I hope you're doing well. We've been truly impressed with your trading performance and we'd love to feature your journey. I can't read to save me. We'd love to feature your journey in a short trader success interview on Zoom. So I'm doing that tomorrow, which is pretty cool. But as soon as I get, like, I don't mind trading live with prop firms. That's with Alpha. Mark. You mean about to? No. Don, check. Look, so YM, the actual new contract rollover, swept the daily external. Here, look, if I show you here, swept this daily external, while the continuous, which we were using yesterday, failed to. So yesterday, in theory, should have been bullish. Gabriel sent a TikTok in about it. I couldn't believe it. Damn, I wish I was in your country. Where are you from, Abraham? You excited? Yeah, I mean, it's a new opportunity, right? It's a new way to get myself out there. But I mean, am I excited? Like, I don't think many people would really care about my journey. Like, it's just basically been the same as everyone. And I'm going to have to try and recap tonight my whole journey in the past 3 years. He's going to hate you. Do you prefer futures or CFD trading? Futures. I'll post when I've done it though. I'll post it whenever they post it up on their socials. But most of you already know my trading journey anyway. But I think it'll be more good for me to grow, like more organically and get people in. Because it's very rare you see a UK futures trader. So I think already I attract so many people from the UK which trade futures predominantly. Just because obviously most UK people, traders, trade only Forex. Yeah, I'm from UK. I'm not touching gold. If you can simply put it, what's the difference between CFD and futures? Yeah, so futures, we're basically all looking at the same charts, in theory, unlike yesterday because there was contract rollover. But we're basically looking at the same charts, so there's no manipulation from brokers. We're all viewing price the same way, the same time. Like, on my screen, when NQ's at 25,100.75, and you look at NQ as well, it'll most likely be at the same unless you're on minis or unless you're on micro, sorry. But then with CFDs, you've got different brokers which can have different prices, which therefore means it can be a lot more difficult. And you've also got you've got spreads, you've got all of that good stuff on CFDs, commissions. Like if I wanted to buy in, would I get filled in the same place I would on CFD? No. And then if I'd done the same with futures, I'd get filled in the exact same position. Who does oil have SMTs with? Yeah, oil has SMTs with RB and UK oil. I've never ever entered on UK oil or RB. I only ever use it for SMT. But Gabriel, this is what I'm anticipating previous day low and daily fair value gap on oil. That's my logic. I want to see how you can see we're currently doing 4 hour internal to 4 hour external. But like I said, I've never ever traded RB, let alone UK oil. Yeah, the weather. I don't actually know. I don't know what it is. What's the temperature here? 13 degrees. Should we take a 15-minute before we took that high? I want to get on that. I'm personally not going to do anything yet. So you can trade for it. Yes, you can trade forex on futures. So on futures, it's called different. It's called something different. So for example, EU is called 6E, and GU is called 6B. And then there's loads of different ones. What's your opinion on the M1, Luke? Do you use it? I think it's too much noise, personally. I've always been the type of trader, right? But this is just down to me because of how I started trading. I've always been the type of trader that will happily wait. Okay, like I would rather 9 times out of 10, the trades that I take will have the daily candle already predicted, and it will normally go in my way, which therefore means I can leave runners if I want to. With the M1, it's very difficult to not get chopped up and get faked out by the manipulation or anything like that. But so like for me, the M5 is the lowest I'd go normally. M5 and then M15. Holy check gold. I'm watching gold hit. Gold looks shit. I want lower. Do you want lower as well, MQ? Oh fuck, you mean that? Shit. Oh, my bad. If this live gets reported, I actually will just CBA with TikTok anymore. You got that at the moment, MQ. In respecting this 1 hour. Gold. Depending on how this candle closes, target these failure swings down here. If you became good at that M1, your RR will be different. But that's what I'm saying. Like, with the M1, a lot of the stuff you see on social media, they'll lie about their trades. I sent something in the Discord. It was mental. Some guy was paper trading like 200, 300k. What's up, Don? How you doing, man? Nice to see you in here again. Some guy was trading like 200, 300k. But it was all paper trading, and he was trying to pull across like it was real, like live. PA's house. You've been here since 9:20? Oh, look at you referring to everything in New York time now. You could just stay out there, right? I'll find it later, Mark. I sent it in the group. Donna, I've been watching gold off of this. NQ, I just don't know. Gabriel, I can't believe what happened yesterday regarding that daily external low, SMT. To be fair, Mark, there's so many people on TikTok like that. Yeah, that makes sense, Weston. It's also the day before FOMC. The only difference is psychology. If the strike is booming, it's booming. Yeah. How's trading been for you, bro? Yeah, so this week, what am I in? How am I doing this week? What day is it? Tuesday? So this week, I took one trade yesterday on evals. I took one trade yesterday on fundeds. The eval was a slight loss, and the fundeds was a break even. But the problem I had was that, which has only just come to me after one of my members sent it in the private group, that there was actually the new contract rollover. For some reason, the continuous didn't mark it up or didn't show it. So yesterday I actually had the framework for longs, which I should have done instead of shorts. But you live and you learn. So from now on, I'm not touching anything. I'm only staying. I will just manually do the contract rollover myself. What's your win rate, bro? It varies. It varies my win rate. Like I'm currently I post like the back testing streams. But like on average, it's probably like I want to say it varies between 60% and anywhere between 70%. Some months are good with like 70 plus, but you know. And how long you been consecutively profitable? So what's that now? I want to say like. So I've been well over a year now, easily. I do it full time. I do not like. We see we're failing to candle close below this order block here. This is a good order block, to be fair. I have target 1 to 2 R is the minimum. I have targeted more in the past. Like I'll leave runners at break even. I'm not gonna lie. I think 10 a.m. will tell me what to do, which is in the next minute, less than that. But I just don't see a short happening. I'm not gonna lie to everyone. Hey, I could be wrong, then I'll just adjust. But do you trade your stop loss? I go break even. I normally like to do 20, depending on how confident I am in the trade, 20% left at break even. I just saw the DM. Off topic, you look handsome today. I might have to start turning off the camera, but thank you. Right, here's I don't know. The 1 hour gap would be so far away. Holy fuck. Oh, CL's about to come back to this 1 hour Fair Value gap. Well, I just removed that. It's going to get pinged. Is anyone shorting this? This is pattern trading, final boss. This is. If you short this, let me check the M1 quickly. How many people do you reckon are in this? Did you do something to your hair? No, I need to get a haircut though, to be fair. How many people are in this M1 inverse? Don't think it's the SMT, it proves they high on CL because of the Oh, this contract rollover thing's doing my head in. Have you checked the new one? What is it? Is there no SMT there? Gabriel. I don't blame you. Come on, guys, in your M1 short. I wish you the best. Matrix, today is rough. Nah, but I don't think we get that gap tag looking at the daily candle, or at least proves stay low. Do I seriously have to move everything to... Oh, my days. I mean, we haven't even tagged into it yet. UK Oil has. Oh, no, it hasn't. We've got SMT, but there's no 1 hour PDRA tag. You could be in gold off this inverse. Oh my days. I just don't trust anything anymore after this contract rollover. That's my problem I've got. Oh my god, guys. I caught a short. Yeah, it is the day before FMC. You're lucky you don't have all the dodgy traders in here. Yeah, I think this is just a retracement, but I would love for us to come down to the 1 hour fair value gap, but I think that's testing it. But that is not an awful lot I can do here. Right, there's your 15-minute. There's a tiny little new week opening volume imbalance there, sorry. On all assets, I believe. Oh no, just NQ and ES. Right, CL's now come back into this gap, has it? Has it come back into it? Poupier. Jesse, did you check my private group what Gabriel said, or even my Outlook channel? Did you see that YM swept the low? That's what, like, I actually can't believe it. I can't frame shorts here even though. No, I'm not shorting here. Unless we start getting, like, this isn't even the type of reaction I'd want to see. No, I know, but like yesterday, I mean, when I would have been, like, yesterday I was short because I thought that those lows didn't have any SMT. Right, so we got this 1 hour gap tag. Honestly, I have not traded CL in so long. I'm not gonna lie. So you'd be in gold right now if you're gonna short gold. I'm not gonna take it. If you full port your Apex account on this. This isn't CL. This is gold. Can you trade gold and... Oh, shit, you can't. You can't even trade gold in your Apex, can you? Let me try. And see what it does. See if it has a fit. See if it throws a fit. I'll be the test dummy. Can you trade oil? Are you allowed to trade oil, lover? You don't know. Should I check quickly? What are we selling? No, this is. Remember, this is CL, guys. This isn't. I'm alternating between CL and indices. There's nothing for me to do on indices. That is a huge rejection, though. Here. Metal's blocked on Apex. I can't trade gold anyway, so I don't care what happens here. Thank you, Weston. How much risk have we got? I just want to see what the risk is like. Shit, you're gonna need to use loads. Fucking hell. I'm getting sick and tired of this contract shit. You saw Iman expose TGR? No? Where'd you see that on? I'll have a look at that. I know who Iman is, but I don't know who... Oh, sorry, I know who Iman is, and I obviously know who TGR is, but I didn't know that happened. So has he finally been... What have they said about it? 45-minute video? Oh, you know what I'm going to be doing tonight? Did anyone in the TikTok chat watch that? No way. I wonder if anyone's going to actually take gold. Hmm. You can maybe gold off of that order block if we get the candle closure on the 15. I'll sit on the 30 minute for now. Where's SMT with oil, Luke? I'll show you. Right, so we've got daily SMT at the highs. Wait, come to my YouTube, Mohammed, Trader Mo, because you can see all my screens then. Let me know when you're in there and I'll show you. Wait for the 15-minute candle closure here. Oh, this is dead. I forgot how slow CL can be, to be fair. I'm not in this, by the way. I would need the candle closure below there. Below 94.86. I'd love for a move lower. Fucking piece of shit, man. Should we just fucking full port the evals on shorts? I'm literally just gonna be waiting. This is gonna be boring as fuck for all of you. I'm so sorry. I'm not in this yet, by the way. I'll take away the position tool. That is where I'd want my ideal entry to be. I was just... This is actually painful. Gabriel, look at it. Gabriel, you still in here? Or have you fallen asleep? Yeah. Look at this. You thinking what I'm thinking? You're in CL long. Gabriel's gonna fade everyone. Is the chart different to thingy then? Like this, the actual CL. What is it? It's M, right? Let me check. Yeah. Where? Where? Ah, and it's a flat body. Holy fuck! And it's a flat body. Like this. What? What time frame are you in? 15? We didn't candle close it though. Shit, that was the 1 hour. This is not the type of move you want to see. Gabriel, if you were gonna do the old Classico, you'd be getting in here. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. You'd be getting in here once this candle closes. Wherever it closes. I want to wait for YM to take the 1 hour fair value gap. If price, because that is also a flat low on ES. So I want to wait for the 1 hour gap tag. That's my logic. You're starting to trade the M1 more? I think it's partly down to the fact that because when I started trading and like the whole of my journey, I've never left the M5. So like in my brain, I just know to always trade the M5. I think that's partly the reason. Because I always got told that the M1 is too choppy and stuff like that. But I think there's more concepts you need to take into consideration when trading the M1, like premium discount, in my opinion. Like, would I feel confident longing here? Probably not. Yeah, I agree. Gabriel, are you just full porting this eval? I just don't know what's going to happen because there's 1 hour fair value gap. I'm just tape reading this. 750 risk. What are you sending it on? Apex or something? Yeah, I know. But my only concern is, Don, is that look at the 1 hour. Look how close YM's like to tagging that 1 hour fair value gap. Like this. 100k. Oh, it's 100k though. Yeah, sweet. So what's that? You're risking quite light then, to be fair, for 100k. Look, so now Gabriel, you'd be selling here, going for two. We can watch this together, see what happens. Does that make sense, Gabriel? Because this is now viewed as your candle free continuation. I'm curious to see if this goes. What's the drawdown? What's the drawdown for mine? It's either 3k or 2.5. I think it's 3. What's up, order block? How's the trading month been? Trading month's been good. This week's been trash. Is this? Yes, it is. I don't trade this way. I just like watching. Gabriel, look at CL as soon as you got into it. Fuck. Yeah, this is here. This TTFM. YM's just tagged into the 1 hour gap, by the way. So now I can look for longs. This is pretty cool, this setup, but I just want to watch how this goes. In Discord. Yeah, I get you. It's already given an entry, no? Don, be careful, you're on continuous contracts. Oh, you're waiting for lower anyway. No, it shouldn't be a problem. So this is currently like this. What's up, Nathan? Are you in this, EO? Alright, I got you, I got you. Oh, I got you. It's open. Open's already happened. No, I didn't take this. If I want to take something, I'd have to wait for a 5 minute. We have got a 5 minute candle closure, to be fair. But, I mean, feel free to take this. It didn't close inside the Fair Value Gap, BTW. What are you on about? This is very bizarre. Right, there's the... You look like you're going to get your tag done. Don Pablo was waiting for the inverse here. This is some weird candle closure. Yeah, this is some weird PA. If we candle closed above this at 25.064, then you'd have a better order block on the M5, and you got SMT with YM taking that, tagging into that 1 hour Fair Value Gap. This is this is bizarre. Lots of low resistance liquidity above. You trade it? No. I would want a 5-minute candle closure above this level. So you could technically look for something like this. I would personally want to go like that. I'm not gonna lie. I probably won't trade fundeds today. I'm not too keen on this type of price action. Who said shorts? Yes. What's up, Nathan? Oh, Nathan, I missed your message. What's CL doing? Right, so you technically have it. You'd have your bullish order block here now. You've got like that even. You could take, if we give the, I'm just watching the other assets at the moment. If we give the M5 OB, you could possibly take this, or the M5 inverse. If you're not in off the M3 order block that I already pointed out, or the inverse, sorry. Very bizarre PA at the moment. Gold looking rough. This shit's straight ass Mike on a walk. I'd probably join you on that, I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely not the type of conditions I'd want to risk my fundeds. Honestly, if we give this M5 tag. Yeah, there's the M5 kiss. I just don't like how choppy this is. Got an inverse value up there. M15 Sibi. I'm going to take this on an eval. I don't want to trade my funders today. I'll take this on an eval. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to take a stab at this on eval. It's day for FOMC. I don't want to trade my fundeds. We have the SMT down here with YM. Out of lows. I'll get rid of that. This is an M5 order block. And then we've got a second stage here. I'll just be careful if you're going to trade your funders today. For me, it doesn't seem like it's worth the risk. If it breaks that SMT, I'm getting out. It's really that simple. If it breaks that SMT at the low, I don't mind taking a paper cut. I just don't want to trade funders in these conditions. Oil's going smooth. Hello, what's happened here? Oil is going smooth. I wouldn't say you're cooked. Anything can happen. NQ might just want to come back into this 1 hour fair value gap if this SMT at the second stage gets disrespected. Now, but price might equally want to retrace down to that gap. Anything can happen. Hence why I'm not as confident in this trade. I'm not going to alert this in the signals. I'm not too keen on this. So if it runs that, you see that blue line, if it takes that out, then I'm getting out. My idea for this was that I was going to get in light, and then I was going to add if we started displacing higher, which we didn't. Yeah, I'm out. Which we didn't. So fuck that. I'm out of that. I'm not sitting in that shit. What did gold do? Fucking hell. I don't want to touch NQ for the rest of the day. I'm sick and tired of fucking trading NQ today. Yeah, you can full port FOMC. Yeah, I took it on eval. I got out here. Like that. This looks like to me we might be building some failure swings. Could be wrong. Yeah, I have Discord. Look at this though. This is what I'm paying attention to now. Yeah, take care, Don. Where are you? What did you get in the end? Did I just get fucked? If this goes up now, I deserve to lose. I just want to check something here on CL. CL doesn't look terrible with this inverse. You told me I was forcing a trade. Now you're fucking on and about getting in a trade. I got fucked so hard here. I'm debating something here. I'm debating ES. Shit. I want to check something here. Oil wouldn't have even given a tag. I reduced my risk anyway on ES. Some weird ass day. Did CL ever? Yeah, CL's just dumped. Gold going higher. Take a. If I was get. This would be a decent. I just can't be arsed. I don't mind this inverse here. See, I don't mind this 5-minute inverse survey gap on ES. ES. SMT at the lows with YM tagging to a 1 hour fair value gap. Is it just gonna become like watching paint dry? So where was my stop before an NQ? Because I need to join all that. I assume it was like that. CL would be given an entry now. What if it came back to this inverse? I'm just going to stick with what I know, and that's ES, and obviously indices. Oh wait, TikTok chat, you can't even see ES. I want to see this 15-minute getting burst, ideally. If we inverse this here, I'll look at getting in on evals. That if we inverse there, Darius. That's gonna be my game plan. What do you think about the TGR case? I don't know enough about it, to be fair. I sadly do not know enough about it. I'm gonna look at it tonight. Can you explain kind of what happened? Fucking, this is bizarre, man. This is bizarre. Why are you not took this trade? I'm only trading evals today, and I want to take this trade if it gets above this here. This inverse here. I'm only trading my evals today. No, I wouldn't. I can't take this on my fundeds. How many contracts did I say this was anyway? This is dead. This is dead. Don, did you take this? It's actually boring the fuck out of me, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, what? What's up? What do you mean? This is fun. I love being this type of PA. This is brilliant. I'm definitely not trading funded today. Good luck if you are. I want to see this 1 hour. What I'm assuming is this 1 hour open and high close, but it's not looking very promising as it stands. I need some displacement here. This is dead. New York Open. Yeah, this is shit. I need to see this last at least 3 minutes displace. In theory. Otherwise, this 1 hour candle is just going to be fucking bizarre. It's actually boring the fuck out of me, this. Yeah, I agree. But even then, it's just price is just failing to displace, which is the reason I don't like being in these type of trades. When this fails to displace, it's not showing me any direction whatsoever. Like, what is this shit? Such a fucking weird candle. I'm not gonna lie, this is very fucking weird. It's just not the type of move I want to see, as it stands. Don, are you in this? Don's in TikTok. I might even look to reduce my risk to here. Or even, you could even, like, I don't even know if I can be fucked for this. Like that. This is so dead. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. What's the time? It's 11 now. Price is just fucking around. What up? What up? This is so boring. This is doo doo today. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a fucking clue what's going on today. This is fucking shit. Yeah, I mean, stay safe in these fucking conditions. They're a load of bullshit. Other than that, guys, thank you for joining. Don't trade your funders today. Day before FOMC, it's a load of bullshit. And yeah, take care, everyone. This is shit.